Hey, my name is Anthony Trucks, and I'm excited to share with you the Leadership Workshop. Now, I will be speaking on the stage on Sunday at LASHCON, but prior to that, I'm going to take a select group of individuals who are very apt in their mind to achieve the next level, right? Some people talk about it. Some people actually look at that and go, I want to be the next individual that has this amazing success, right? And it's one thing to just go and have a desire for that, but it's a whole other situation to pursue that, and it's easier to pursue when you have a plan. And that's what I focus on. In the Leadership Workshop, what I do is I pull it back and I give you kind of like the deep dive into yourself so you can understand how to achieve success by being a great leader of yourself and then also your teams. Because here's the thing, like if you just kind of do trial and error and hope it works out one day, it's kind of like hope, right? And hope is not a strategy. A strategy is something that you go and say, look, I'm going to go through a process that's already been used, that's been tested, that's tried and true to get a result that I want. And so in this workshop, what I do is I go and I kind of peel back the curtain to my highest level coaching options and programs and curriculum that I provide for the Amazons, the T-Mobiles, the PayPals of the world when I go and work with them. And I kind of give you like a really condensed, very tactical version of that. And what happens is I work hand in hand with you to go through my curriculum, which is actual worksheets. And I also at the end will give you access to my brand new app that only my highest level clients have access to. You get it for free. And what it does, it guides us through some high level thinking of who am I as a leader? Who am I as a human? What do I want to accomplish? How do I accomplish that? How do I take big projects and make them micro tasks so I can accomplish them every day and make progress while I build my pride? And how can I celebrate the success every single day? Right? That's one thing. You don't want to work all day long and not see the actual fruits of your labor. So I created a full process called the Shiftment that you're going to have access to. And then I made an app called Shift in 3, which is a tool I use and I love. It's so powerful that I'm giving to you. So if you want access to this, you've got to come to Friday's workshop. And you get to hang out with me, shake my hand. I get to talk to you back and forth, which is not always possible when I'm up on a stage talking to so many people. So you get to kind of be in an intimate setting with me and really extract whatever also individual questions you might have. Like maybe there's something unique to you want to figure out and maybe you need some help understanding. That's what I'm here for. And so I truly am looking forward to it. If you're wondering who I am in the first place, I'm a former NFL athlete, American Ninja Warrior. I'm also a speaker and author and a coach. And I grew up in a crazy environment, foster care given away, but I achieved some really cool things that I'm still in the process of achieving, really cool things. And for me, I live what I talk about. And I love to go and share with people who maybe want to get to that next tier as well. And when you do, like you're my kind of people. And so I look forward to getting a chance to work with you on Friday at LASHCON. So make sure you join that workshop.